Hi guys, let me quickly train us on how to go about our system when we have issues with our laptop. Welcome. Some of us might not really know that there are other opportunities in their system when you have problem with your keyboard and you really want to type something before you take it to the technicians to fix your keyboard for you. You have urgent assignment to deliver. How do you go about it? It is pretty simple. What you need to do, come to this very part you're seeing, type here to search. This very part you see, type here to search, then type screen keyboard. You can see it up here. Click on it. Boom, you have it. When you have issues with your keyboard, don't stress yourself. Just come straight to screen keyboard and bring it up. Though it might not be as fast as using your physical keyboard, there you will have access to fix your problem. You have access to solve immediate problem. Whatever you want to type, whatever document you want to put up, before you take it to the technicians to fix for you. That is the essence of having a screen keyboard. So you can see it here. Every functions that you might need are here. You have it. You can see escape, you have tab, you have cap lock, you have shift, so many things. Just look at it. We have delete, we have backspace, we have enter, shift, we have space bar and home and every other thing. Now let's go and practice if truly our screen keyboard is going to give us the right answer. Let's bring up a Word document. Word. So here is our Word document. Let's type something. United States catalog, America. So it is pretty simple. Every key you have on your keyboard are also there on the screen keyboard. It is an avenue for us to quickly solve our problem. Majority of us don't know, or let me say some of us don't know that there is a shortcut to keyboards. That is the reason why I decided to put up this video to educate those of us who are still novice about using the screen keyboard. It is a great opportunity indeed. Thanks for joining me. Do subscribe to my video. I have said it earlier that I have a lot of opportunity that I will be sharing on this platform. Please come along with me. Bye bye.